if you buy the GoPro with the 1 year subscription, it knocks the GoPro from $450 down to $300 because you bought the $50 1 year subscription. If you cancel that 1 year subscription before the expiration of it, so let's say I bought it yesterday. 1 year from yesterday, if I cancel it in between now and then, they automatically bill you the additional $150 that they took off. So two things happened today. One, I ordered GoPro Hero 9. Second, I also ordered the snap mounts adapter for the GoPro. And I didn't know something like that out there existed. So this snap mount, so I'm leaving the link down in the description for snapmounts.com. Pretty much essentially what it is, and we'll be looking at it as soon as I get it in. It's a GoPro mount that's magnetic. So instead of using like a suction cup on top of your car, you just attach the snap mount to your GoPro, and it just magnetizes to the hood of your car or door, wherever you want to put it. Anything that's magnetic, it just snaps right on there, and it sticks. But I think the Hero 9, based upon what I've been seeing and how it looks online, I think it'd be a really good fit to use as a daily vlog where I don't have to carry like, well, I'm still going to carry my mirrorless cameras. I'm still going to have the M50 with me. I also have my RP with me, but I think the GoPro, the Hero 9, is going to be more suited for quickly grabbing to go do things. So we'll have to see, right? We're moving into fall, and the weather's been really hot in the afternoon and really cold in the morning. And then some days it's cold all day and some days it's hot all day. That's Midwest weather. It's almost October, and then we'll be in cold weather, and then we'll have those crazy hot days in December. 2020 is almost over. So I just got back from the gym, absolutely exhausted. I don't know if it's because I didn't eat beforehand or just ants. I've got ants again. Dog food causing ants. Let me throw this away. So I don't know if it's because I was tired or not, whatever. I'm just in a bad mood. And a little bit kind of actually stimulates from yesterday too, just as well. So I just said that I'm super excited for the GoPro Hero 9 to come out. But there's one little bit of information that kind of makes me upset about it at the same time too. So on GoPro's website, you can order the Hero 9 for on a bundle deal for $350. That's a great deal because it's regular price at $450, but it's got a promotion going on right now for $350, and that doesn't require you to do that trade-in thing where they give you $100 off and, you know, whatever that crap is where you got to send your old camera to them. They evaluate it, give you the $100 credit. That could take up to, you know, a few weeks for that to happen altogether, right? Before you get your discount. GoPro was doing this promo where if you add on their subscription service for $50, or if you pay whatever, and that's for, you know, 1 year. Or you can just pay $5 per month, to $60 a year. Just about a whole year at one time, you save $10. You get the GoPro's marked down at $299 versus $450, and you pay an extra $50 for the subscription, which makes it $350 altogether, right? So to give you a $150 discount, that's insane. The issue there though is that you are force bundled. It's kind of bullshit to me, you know? Now, what I mean by force bundled is you add it to your cart, everything's already right there, it automatically tags in the subscription for you. It marks the price down based upon that. You get free shipping, $350 plus tax, $380, $390, whatever it's going to come out to be. I got some extra stuff, so I can't really tell you what the baseline tax was. So let's just say $380 after tax. That's awesome. That's still cheaper than the GoPro by itself, and you got unlimited cloud storage and 50% up to 50% off of GoPro accessories, which I ordered the media mod and the battery and the light. You know, those things at 30% off. So you're saving money right there. The issue is the forced bundling. So if you remove the subscription from your cart, it knocks the price back up to $450. Okay, no problem. I get that. But this year, I've never bought the subscription. I wanted to buy it this year. So I added the cart, and it automatically applies the coupon. You don't have a choice. You're going to get the discount. No matter what, you're forced into that discount. Which isn't a problem, right? Because, like, you're thinking about, well, if I'm going to buy that anyways, wouldn't I want the cheaper value? 100%. I agree with you. I just don't like the fact that, you know, there's not like a coupon code or something like that I can put in that activates that bundle deal. Because I don't like whenever I'm forced to do something. And here's why. I wanted to use another discount that I had. And so I plugged that discount code in there because I haven't applied any codes to the coupon, to the cart yet, right? But since I'm forced bundled with adding that in there, it doesn't take that discount off, right? I'm not going to tell you how much the discount was for the code, but I pretty much got the GoPro and the subscription for less than $280 if everything would have worked out right. Real small detail on their program says cannot be included with any other promo. But you're not giving me a choice not to use that. I don't have a choice. You're making me use that discount. Why? You know, it doesn't make sense to me. I should have the option to say, no, I don't want to bundle at the bundle price. Or, yes, I do want to bundle at the bundle price. I want to get these two items, but I don't want to, you know, have to do that. Now, you can do it this way. You can buy the GoPro. I can use my discount with the GoPro. Then I can buy the subscription later. But, it doesn't make sense to me to do that. Why create two transactions? That's dumb. Also, you could buy the subscription before you buy the GoPro, but it asks you if you already have the subscription. And I'm pretty sure it's going to take the discount off for you. If not, let me know down in the comments. Because I would love to know if I would have bought the subscription first, if it would have taken the money off of the GoPro. Because I didn't do it that way myself. So like I said, you're forced freaking bundled in there. Second issue I have with GoPro, and they can kiss my ass. If you buy the GoPro with the 1-year subscription, it knocks the GoPro from $450 down to $300 because you bought the $50 1-year subscription. If you cancel that 1-year subscription before the expiration of it, so let's say I bought it yesterday. 1 year from yesterday, if I cancel it in between now and then, they automatically bill you the additional $150 that they took off. The problem I have with that is that they don't return your money for the subscription. You've already paid for a full year. You have it to the end of the year. But if you cancel that before it renews, they bill you for the next extra amount of money they took off. And that's what the fine line says. They put it right there in front of you. You're not only you forced bundled, but you're forced to pay this money that they gave you off because you spent $50 extra for the 1-year subscription. I'm sorry, but that's BS. Why? I get if I bought like the monthly, version of it where I was paying $5 every single month, and I canceled before I hit that, that $50-$60 threshold. I get that. Prorate the money back to you from whatever I got off discounted. But I paid you for a full year, and you're gonna still take my money from me, GoPro? That doesn't seem right. Doesn't seem right at all. Let me know what you think. Like, do you think that somebody's going to have an issue with that, or you're just going to, bite the bullet and bend over and take it. Because my thoughts are, well, I have, 365 days before, it automatically renews to my credit card. Can I cancel the day before? Right? But if I cancel the day before, doesn't that mean they're going to charge me that $150? Like, you see what I'm saying? Like, you're forced into it. So, like, are they really giving you $150 off? Or are they just making you pay $50 less? GoPro, what is it? You take off $150 from the camera. If I buy a $50 1-year subscription, if I cancel between now and the end of the year, you automatically bill me back for $150 plus you get the extra $50 from me. So that's $200 pretty much, right? But if I don't cancel the day before the subscription automatically renews, which I need to check and see if I can turn that off. I should be able to, right? But let's say I forget and I don't turn auto renewal off. I'm paying another $50 for a full whole another year, which means that I only save $50. So I should have just used my coupon.